Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. Folks, what is going on? I've got a very interesting video for you today, right? So this came through as a request a while back from one of my regular viewers who wanted me to make an ice cream. David's allotment, shout out to you. And I said I will make it, but I've got to find a really good one, because basically when you buy vegan ice cream in the shop, they all taste like shit, basically frozen coconut oil. They're just not good. So finally, I found one which is very interesting and very unique, and it's got a weird ingredient, but I hope you enjoy it and I hope you do try it for yourselves, because it really is good. Folks, this recipe was submitted by the amazing Vegan in Paris on Instagram. If you're not following them, follow them. Basically, one of the most incredible Instagrams that you'll come across, where all the recipes, everything's so neat and perfectly laid out. Just follow them, right? If you like vegan recipes, plant-based, or animals or animal products on my channel, hit the like button, hit subscribe. It will mean the world to me. I will love you for it. Folks, have a good week. Let's get cooking. And as a first step, what we're going to be doing is lightly roasting our pistachios on 150 degrees C. That is to release the oils and the essences, and it will just make it nice and smooth for when we come to turn that into a pistachio butter. And in the meantime, we're just going to squeeze our lemon.
15 minutes later.
Once that's out of the oven, what you're then going to do is just let it cool down a bit, obviously. Rub it between your hands, try and get rid of as much peel as you can. That will not only give it a nicer colour, but it's just more aesthetic, I guess. And once that's done, we're going to blend our pistachios with the oil, and that's just going to get it kick-started into forming the pistachio butter. Now, don't expect this to get 100% smooth. If you can, amazing. If you can't, don't worry about it. It's not the end of the world, because then you're just going to add the rest of the wet ingredients anyway. Now, you should notice that by adding the liquid, it's aided in pulverizing whatever remained in the pistachios. Next, we're just going to add our avocados, and that's it. Just give it a final blend. I blended it 3 times to get it as smooth as possible, and you'll see the colour becomes nice and green, the texture becomes nice and smooth. Now, I happen to be recording these voiceovers in post-production, so I have the luxury of giving you some hindsight tips. So there's only one catch about this ice cream, right? And it's a bloody amazing ice cream, but there's one thing. I recommend you eat this on the same day that you make it, because what's happened is the one that I made, I froze it for a few hours and had it. It's lovely, but the rest that I froze becomes very solid, and then you have to wait for it to defrost, and it's just harder to work with. So have it fresh on the day, and trust me, it's just flipping amazing. It's also very heavy and it's very rich, so literally 1 scoop was enough for me, and I'm a pig, so I think maybe 1.5, 2 scoops per person. That's enough, really. So I'd say about 4 portions you get out of this. And that's it. Now, just while that's freezing, I want to give a nice introduction to Vegan in Paris. Like I said, if you're not following, get following right now. Guys, seriously, this is one of the most incredible Instagram accounts that I've come across. Like I mentioned earlier, it's very neatly organised. The recipes are there in French and English, but everything's so neat and perfectly organised, you'll just see it and you'll be like, wow. Okay, so I highly recommend you go and check them out. I'm going to put a link in the description here. And as you can see, I'm going to put somewhere here, just to scroll along. In fact, Vegan in Paris was recommended to me by Ziv from Seeds Vegan. If you've been checking out my videos from a while ago, you'll see that I made this masterclass with him on like these vegan cheesy pastries, just something really flipping amazing, right? He's the one that recommended them, so Ziv, shout out to you as well, buddy. Yeah, that's it, right. We're going to get that out of the freezer now, and I'm going to show you how it comes out and the smoothness and the texture. Just like, mwah.
3 hours later.
Ta-da! Check this out, right? So here we have it. Oh, pistachio gelato. Right. 100% vegan. Nice and creamy. Look at that. So folks, I'm going to show you the taste test in real time. That's really smart. Very clever idea. It's nice, it's rich, you can't taste the avocado as much, you can taste the pistachio in there. It's a really good ice cream. And there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I want to give a massive thanks to Vegan in Paris for submitting this beautiful recipe. Really surprising how it came out. and I hope you do get a chance to check out his Instagram page. And thanks again for stopping by. Have an amazing week. Ciao for now, folks. I'll see you next week, and please do not forget to subscribe. I love you all. Bye for now.